I posted a photo recently on YouTube where I was out using the Farmall M and one of my front tires blew. Now this Farmall has light truck tires on it, and I think that was done because it's a loader tractor, and that was something in this area it was common when you had a wide front and a loader. People switched them over to where they're running light truck tires. So that's where we're at, and I got a new tire for the one that blew, and I'm getting ready to put that on. There's a lot of people that aren't fans of these types of jacks. Sometimes they're called a farm jack, handyman jack, something like that. And they do come with their own risks, but if you use them in a safe manner, they're okay. Today's probably not an example of how to use one of these safe because this tractor's on a hill. You might not be able to tell in the video, but it's sloping downhill. Not the best situation, but it kind of is what it is, and that's what I have to work with. Having this loader on here doesn't help anything. It makes it a little more complicated. Ah, tarantula. Jeez. That scared me, and it is not afraid. Look at this thing. This thing is big. Look at that thing. That thing is big.
Now, since I saw that, I'm afraid when I'm in the middle of digging,
They are not harmful. They're just big. Look at that. That is a big spider. It's not the first one of these I've run into.
Same. I ran into one in the middle of digging, like last week.
We'll just let it hang out there. They're kind of cool. I don't want to I don't feel the need to crunch it or anything because it's not here to hurt us. This time of year, they're doing a migration.
Wait, so you're just putting what were you doing?
That thing is huge. You better stay away from that tire. You're gonna get squished. I don't know where our tarantula friend ran off to. It went over that way, but we got a tire to change. I'm not too concerned about him. That's a nice tire for a truck tire on a tractor. I really should take this one off and go get a matching one for it. Not that I need a matching one, but it's only a matter of time before that tire blows out also. They're pretty old. Alright, the other thing is the carb's missing. Last time I was out here when I got the flat tire, it was the weekend before roll log. I was going to take that carburetor to Kenny, and he had offered to clean it up for me. Didn't end out going, so I'm going to stick the carburetor back on just so we can get this thing running and moving again. Alright, back to this. I got the carburetor put back on. I just bolted it on. Like I said, I didn't clean it or anything, so this is not going to run any better than it did before. Now that that's on, I'm going to try and start it. No reason why it wouldn't start, right? It's alive! I would love cleaning the carburetor, got this thing smoothed out. I think it's going to be more than that, but I also do know part of it has to be the carb, because if you pull the choke out, it does smooth out a little bit. Alright, with that other tire on, now I'm going to take this one off so that I can take it home.
I'll get another tire this week and we'll bring it back here probably next weekend, get it mounted. Just to make this easier for myself, I think, I put the loader and it's just sitting on top of this plow over here. That loader is always in the way when I want to work on something. Having it up a little bit should help out some. Probably doing everything you shouldn't do with one of these jacks. I ruined my shirt.
Well, anyway, I did get the tire off. I'm going to go get a tire this week, and we'll get the new one mounted next weekend probably. That way I have a matching set on the front. And ideally, this new front set will probably be the last I ever put on this tractor. I hope. One of the downsides with this property is it is a little bit far out. It's not like I can just go 20 minutes to a tire store. It's a little bit of a drive, and I don't live near here, so some of these repairs like this where I need to go get a tire mounted end up taking me a week because I only come here on the weekends at the most. When you have a bunch of old tractors, there's always something needing repaired. It's just how it goes. You guys keep your horde running, and I'll see you later.